Because we are the tile experts, we get clients that not just want us to do bathroom renovation, floor and showers around, but often they would want like a custom fireplace with very specific design chosen by the client from a Pinterest picture or some sort of inspo photo. But when you've done it many times and it's not the typical thing that you see, it's what really makes us experts at our trade. We work with a lot of general contractors, interior designers. We work with realtors as well. They send us like either a client that just bought their home or a client that is looking to sell their home, so they want some work done. We also work with cabinet makers and kitchen like renovators. And we do a little bit of commercial, but only because they ask for us specifically.
For me, what I enjoy the most is the finished product, seeing it all done and the clients being just like, wow, it looks amazing. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. Because, you know, some people out there are used to seeing some tiles off, something not matching up. And what we wanna do is actually make it perfect.
Because we come from like the background that we do in construction, we can try and give advice in terms of like, oh, we want to use this 12 by 24 tile in this really narrow room in this design. And we're like, well, just based on the amount of times that we've done this, if you do it this way, it's going to make the space look smaller or taller or brighter or different like finishes for the tile.
Our customers are really happy when it comes to us being honest, so that you're not surprised at the end with an extra charge that you didn't even know about.
So, you know, having those conversations during the process really gives the client a better experience.
We always communicate with when we're going to be at your home. Every day before going home, we make sure we don't leave a huge mess with boxes of tile here, pieces of mortar anywhere. We make sure to leave your space to be able to live in your house still while we're there. We always study anything that we're doing. We check every step, make sure that it's installed properly from the beginning, and at the end, the homeowner knows that we went in there to do something and they're not just spending their money to, in a couple of years, have to replace it.
Yes, it's tiling, but also it's like a work of art. Ewald, anytime that he does like a fireplace piece or very high detail custom shower, when you see something that creates that sense of awe, you really feel it.
When it comes to getting your shower done or your kitchen splash or your main entrance floor where everybody walks in and could get just amazed by the way it looks, why settle for anyone else other than us, the tile experts?